All right, so anyway, I bought these for my girlfriend. These are the AirPods, and I think I paid 130 bucks for them. And they're made by Apple, of course. And they work super good, but they only last about an hour. Well, maybe a little bit longer. So anyway, 130 bucks, I bought those. Put them back over here. And today at Marshall's, I found these for $14.99. So we're gonna try these bad boys out and see if they're anywhere near as good as Apple's AirPods. They almost look the same, probably made in the same spot. We're gonna give them a try and see what happens. They say that it works with any Bluetooth application. Look at this guy's having a great time, right? Airstream. So anyway, here they are. Looks kind of like the AirPods. Pop them out. I think I may have to charge this. And it's, cheaper version of the Apple thing. And I think it works probably the same way. You gotta insert them in there. And then it's got a USB over here. I'm sure that it comes with. It looks like this is probably the USB. So let's take a look at it. Open it up. And there's the USB cord. So it doesn't come with a block to charge it, so you gotta have your own block. Which most of these things now, that's the way they do it. They don't come with a block, so you gotta find a block to hook it up to. So let's go ahead and charge these and then we'll try them and see how they work. Plug that into my thing. And then we just gotta put the things inside of here, I do believe. And so let's take a look. It doesn't really tell you which is which, but I'm thinking it goes like this. That one sets in there. And this one, set it in there. And we'll close it. Oh, look. It's got a switch on there. And then all we got to do is get that bad boy in there the correct way, which is upside down from what usual things are. I do believe that's it. All right, so there we are. Doesn't want to sit there, but I will let that thing charge. And I think when that gets to, I don't know what color it's got to get, but we'll read in the directions and try to figure that out. Set that back there. And it does come with these directions, so we're going to take a look at them, and then we'll get back when this is charged and try them. All right, so this charging case, you charge up, and it can charge the earbuds 3 times. So on here it says, charge on the go. Insert earbuds into the charging case and press the power button on the charging case to begin charging. The charging case will charge the headset for up to 3 times. So make sure the earphones are in the pairing mode and your smartphone or Bluetooth enabled device has a Bluetooth power on and connect it properly. Make sure the earphones are charged before using. Make sure the portable charging case is pre-charged before plugging the earphones in earphones to charge. Keep the earphones and portable case away from extreme temperatures. All right, so I think I got to pull the ear things out of there. So let's do that. Let's get them out of there because apparently we're not supposed to have them in there yet. We're supposed to charge the case first and then put them in and then charge that. I don't know, this is the power button here. I guess we press that when we want to charge the earphones. So I'm gonna have to read some more in this thing here and see exactly how they work, and we'll fill you boys and girls in. All right, so in the directions, it says not to put the earplugs into the case, but first charge the case. And in the directions, it says you're gonna get a blinking light and then the light's gonna go away. But what I found was that it doesn't go away, it just becomes solid. And you're gonna see that in a minute. All right, as I said, we've got the solid, it's not blinking anymore. In the directions, it says it'll just turn off and be blank, but I don't think that's, I think that's wrong. So now we can go ahead and put them back in here. So let's just pop this open. And we'll put the right one on this side and the left one on this side. Then we're gonna close it. Let's see if it blinks. No, it's not blinking. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let those sit in there and charge for a little bit. And it looks like We got a solid. So these bad boys must be ready to go. Now if I unplug this, it should turn blue. Now what I have to do to charge them is press this. And apparently it's telling me that they are charged. As you can see, it's a solid blue. So to get them out, just pop that baby open. There's my right. There's my left. All right, let's try them out and see how they work. All right, so once they are charged, you've got to pair them. And the way you pair them is you grab the right one, you're going to press and hold that, and you're going to see blue and red flashing inside that little hole there on the side of it. And then you're going to set that baby down. You're going to grab the left one, pick it up, and you're going to do the exact same thing on it. You're going to press that button, hold it, and it's going to flash blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. You can see it right there. Try to get you a better shot of it. And that's going to pair both of those earbuds together, and now they're ready to be used. And that's really all you have to do. All right, so now I've got to go into settings, into Bluetooth, and bam, there it is, Airstream. So now all I got to do is click that, and I should be connected. Bam, done. Now we're going to try these babies right here. I'm going to try hooking them to my ears and see if they work. So let's see, which one's right. Okay, so this is the right ear here, and that's the left ear. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put them in my ears and see how this thing works. All right, I got them in. Now I'm just going to open up my settings and make sure that my Bluetooth is hooked up. And I'm connected, as you can see. And now we're just going to go to I'll go to a video. Let's watch this one. Wow. This is unbelievable. It works fantastic. Wow. Very cool. Very, very good. I mean, these are really good. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm going to get really close up here and see if you can hear anything. I mean, these really work great. For 15 bucks. Pretty amazing. I'm listening to this. I can't even hear my own self talking. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with your iPhone and how to save money. Peace out.